When we come to a Tantric Puja, we're gathering in ceremony. And we're bringing to the altar our feelings of unworthiness and our perception of separateness, Anavamala and Mayamala. And over the course of the practices that we do together, which are partner practices that are both gentle and very vulnerable, we start to peel back these layers of illusion, the illusion of separateness, and we start to remember that we're all one, and we're all love. And the feeling is not just a mental concept, but it's an embodied liberation that we experience. I hope you'll come join us.